Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use the Overstock Credit Card for home goods, beginner guide step by step clearly. To use the Overstock Credit Card for home goods, start by applying for the card if you haven't already. Visit the Overstock website to fill out the application form. Provide the requested personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Submit your application and wait for approval, which typically takes just a few minutes. Once approved, make sure to activate your card by following the instructions provided. Log into your Overstock account or create one if you don't have it yet. Browse the wide selection of home goods available on the website. Add your desired items to the shopping cart as you find them. As you proceed to checkout, select the Overstock credit card as your payment method. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Review your order and ensure everything looks correct before finalizing the purchase. Complete the transaction, and you will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Keep track of your purchases and monthly billing cycle through your Overstock account. Make payments on time to avoid interest charges and maintain a good credit rating. Consider taking advantage of any special promotions or rewards offered with your card. This will maximize your savings on future home goods purchases. Stay informed about your credit limit and adjust your spending accordingly. Utilizing the Overstock credit card wisely can enhance your shopping experience and provide great value for your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.